How to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Venmo. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you on how you can do this quick and easily. Now, you want to navigate through your Prizepicks account first, and from there you have to log in the right account that has the balance that you want to withdraw. I'm inside the official article on the withdrawing funds for Prizepicks, and from here you can then go ahead and request a withdrawal to any bank account, PayPal account, or debit card that have previously used to deposit accounts into your Prizepicks account. So before you can withdraw money to your Venmo account, you need to go ahead and use that account first in order to transfer funds to Prizepicks. Now, to request a withdrawal, navigate through the menu located on the top left corner of the Prizepicks apps. If you're accessing your account on browser, the menu is on the top right corner. From here, you can then go ahead and select the request withdrawal button. You'll receive an OTP code by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. No further action is needed on your part. They will send an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.